Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and gathering diagnostics. Make sure backups are current. Once done, open Settings and navigate to System, then Troubleshoot to access other troubleshooters. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic to catch RAM issues and use the Quick Disk Check (CHKDSK) to detect file system errors. This first step narrows down hardware versus software causes, so you avoid unnecessary reinstalls. If a tool reports errors, note codes and timestamps for the next, more detailed steps. Next, focus on drivers and system integrity, because many crashes stem from bad drivers or corrupted system files. Open Device Manager. Update, reinstall, or rollback drivers. Make sure you use vendor drivers when necessary. Then run SFC and DISM from an elevated command, prompt to repair system files, and the Windows image. Simultaneously inspect Event Viewer and Reliability Monitor for repeating error codes or timestamps. This helps correlate failures with software or driver events and guides targeted fixes without guessing. To finish, escalate to restoration and isolation techniques if prior steps fail. Boot into safe mode or perform a clean boot to isolate startup conflicts. If stability returns, re-enable services one group at a time. If corruption or persistent errors remain, use System Restore to a known good point or reset this PC while keeping files. Make recovery media before drastic steps. One key troubleshooting tip: when nothing matches, test with a clean user profile or a Windows installation on external media to separate hardware faults from OS level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.